You're listening to RazorCast, USA's hottest podcast, bringing you cutting-edge interviews from leading industry professionals.
Hello, everyone. This is Liz Harvey coming to you from our RazorCast studios in New York City, where we are dedicated to bringing you top-quality advice from many of the leading expert professionals across the U.S. In today's episode, we are speaking with Dr. Igor Kaplansky. Dr. Kaplansky is the founder of Dentistry by Dr. Kaplansky in Gasport, New York. He grew up in Russia, and after receiving his dental degree, he was accepted into the International Dentist Program at the University at Buffalo School of Dental Medicine. He graduated cum laude in 1998 with a Doctor of Dental Surgery degree and continued as a resident in the Advanced General Dentistry Program at Buffalo. Since 1999, Dr. Kaplansky has been practicing family dentistry with a special interest in orthodontics and dental implants. He has been recognized with prestigious fellowship awards from the Academy of General Dentistry and the International Congress of Oral Implantologists. Dr. Kaplansky is widely considered to be one of the top dentists in the country, and he is also a contributing member of our national network of industry professionals. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, teeth whitening. Hello, Dr. Kaplansky. How are you today?
Hi, Liz. I'm doing great. Thanks for having me.
Well, thanks for being here, and we're going to dive right in. So, does teeth whitening work for everyone?
That's a great question. Teeth whitening does work for everyone. It works to a different extent. People with a lot of restorations in their teeth, fillings, crowns, veneers, it may be a little tricky because dental materials do not whiten. Teeth do. So for people with virgin smiles where there's no restorations, whitening works. And how much teeth will get, how much whiter they will get, depends, but they always get whiter.
Okay, great. And do you have a unique process you follow for teeth whitening?
Yes, we do. It's a product made by Evolved Dental Technology, and it's called Core Deep Bleaching. The way it works is we make custom trays, and then there's a very specifically formulated gel that patients load in those trays, and they wear them overnight. And teeth get whiter in the matter of a week or 2 weeks. Usually a couple weeks is the minimum amount of time required to do this.
Okay, great. And how is professional teeth whitening better than teeth whitening kits you can buy in the store?
Kits that you buy in the store are formulated in a way that would make them very safe and to avoid any kind of complications. So the material concentration is extremely low, and the way teeth whiten, it's a function of concentration and the time applied. So the higher the concentration of the active ingredient and the longer you keep that material in contact with the tooth, the better whitening result will be. So by buying the store-bought kits, you pretty much eliminate the concentration from this variable. The material is very weak, and all you're doing is just putting it on teeth and hoping for it to work, and there usually people don't get very far, unfortunately. So it turns into a waste of time and waste of money.
Okay, are there any side effects to teeth whitening?
The only side effect that have been noticed over the years is tooth sensitivity, but the materials and the product that we use come with a specially formulated desensitizer, which eliminates or minimizes sensitivity. And for the multiple patients that we've done this procedure on, we have only had one or two that reported sensitivity that was very mild, and it went away after a few days after they stopped whitening.
Oh, good. Okay. And how long does a teeth whitening treatment last, and how often should people get their teeth whitened?
Once teeth are whitened professionally, they stay white. They do not go back to their original color. The degree of whiteness may tarnish over time depending on what people eat. If there's a lot of pigmented foods in their diet or drinks, coffee, tea, if they smoke, red wine. That will tarnish the results somewhat, but most of the people do what's called touch-ups, and they just use a gel maybe once a year after the initial whitening for a few days or a week, and that brings the original color, whitened color back.
Great. Thank you so much, Dr. Kaplansky. We know you're extremely busy, so I just want to thank you for your time and help today.
Oh, you're very welcome, Liz. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks. And for our listeners across the country, if you are interested in speaking with Dr. Igor Kaplansky, you can either go online to www.drkaplansky.com or call 716-772-7500 to schedule an appointment. And on behalf of our entire team at Razorcast, we want to thank you for listening, and we look forward to bringing you more top-quality content from our country's leading industry professionals.
You've been listening to Razorcast, USA's hottest podcast, bringing you cutting-edge interviews from leading industry professionals.